Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I make my quick and easy pasta salad. First, you're going to need one block of super firm tofu. You can cube it up however small you want it, but we are going to marinate it. Place the cubed tofu in a container big enough to hold it all that has a lid. Then we're going to add some seasonings. Add whatever you like, but I'm using about a teaspoon of oregano, 2 teaspoons of dill, and 1 teaspoon of za'atar. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chopped up capers, as well as 1 tablespoon of the caper brine. Now is the cool part. We're going to utilize the juices and the oils from the jars of food we're adding, starting with the sun-dried tomatoes, then the artichoke hearts, and then the roasted bell peppers. It's great because it helps with zero waste. Last but not least, the olives. I'm only using half this jar of olives, so only half of the liquid. Then add 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. Make sure there is enough liquid to cover all the tofu, and add water if needed. Put a lid on the tofu and give it a shake to mix and coat everything well. Then we're going to put the container of the tofu in the fridge to marinate. I like to do this overnight. Now for the pasta. We're going to get a big pot of salted water and bring it to a boil. Add your pasta of choice. I like to use this protein pasta by Barilla in the rotini shape. After your pasta is cooked, drain and rinse it and return it to the pot and set it aside to let it cool completely. Now we add our flavorful jarred ingredients that we took the liquid out of earlier. I like to cut these all into similar sizes, so you can make this even easier by buying pre-sliced or quartered ones. Add each ingredient to the pot and stir until combined. I also add about 2 cups of spinach that I cut into strips and stir it again. Now it's time for the tofu. You can leave it cubed, but I found that my non-vegan friends prefer it when I crumble it. It is reminiscent of a feta cheese that most people wouldn't even know the difference when you bring it to a potluck this summer. Feel free to use a little of the marinade in your pasta if it seems too dry, and it'll add even more flavor. Store it in the fridge until it's ready to serve and enjoy.